Hi guys, I'm Fong.
And I'm Trin, and we're the How To Duo. Today we're going to be showing you how to make a DIY Minecraft party favor bag. Here's what you'll need.
To make this bag, you'll need glue, a pair of scissors, this creeper face printout which we made on a Google Doc and will link below for you, and lastly, green paper. Now let's get started. Turn your paper horizontally, then take the two sides and fold it inward about 3 inches in width. This is going to give you a trifold where the middle section is going to be much wider than the two side pieces, about double in width. You want to make sure that one of the sides overlaps the other about 1/2 inch because that's going to be the seam that we're going to glue together. So we're going to take our glue and we're going to place it right along here on the underside of the fold. And we're also going to place glue on the overlapping side just to make sure our bag doesn't rip open when we place the treats inside. Now, if you've seen our other videos involving glue, you'll notice that we love using these magazine mailers, or junk mail anyways, to protect our tabletop from getting sticky. You can also flip the page whenever you need a clean surface to work on. Once you're done gluing, be sure to take your bag and open it up just so that you don't accidentally glue it shut. And if you're making multiple bags like we did, we ended up making 8, use the original trifold to help you size the rest of your bags. Do all the folding and gluing at once and it'll speed the process for you. The next thing we're going to do is create the bottom of the bag. Take the bottom edge and fold it upward about 1/3 of the length of the entire bag. Give it a good crease and then open it up from the middle so you create this diamond shape here. And once you get it symmetrical, then you're going to press it down. Then take the bottom of the diamond and fold it upward, turn the bag around, and do the same to the top of the diamond. And now we're going to glue the folds shut. We're going to take our magazine here and place it underneath to protect the bag, and try to avoid getting glue in the middle part where it's open. You don't want to accidentally glue the bag shut. To secure the bottom of the bag and prevent it from ripping, we're going to cut a small rectangle out of the green paper and glue it right onto the bottom of the bag, right in the middle where the folds meet. And since we're making 8 of these bags, we're going to use this to measure the rest of the pieces. Here's the fun part where you're going to see the bag come together. So take both sides and fold it inward where you line up the angles with the bottom of the bag. So make sure it lines up right with that little diamond you folded earlier, and be sure to crease it in both directions. Open up the bag and ta-da! You are done. You just made a paper bag. If you wanted something bigger, you could use bigger construction paper, but we wanted ours to be narrow to fit the Minecraft theme and the creeper character. The very last thing we need to do now is cut out the creeper faces and glue them directly onto each bag. Now, these faces were created using Google Drawing. We just took the shape of a square and just copied and pasted it until it looked like the creeper face. So super easy and adjustable. So we've attached the link below for you to click and print, or you can adjust the size if you need to.
And that's it.
If you liked what you saw, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below. You can also find us on Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and Facebook at The How To Duo, and visit our blog at thehowtoduo.com. Thanks for watching.